Are you struggling with hypothyroidism, high TSH levels, Hashimoto thyroiditis, or any autoimmune thyroid condition? I can help you reverse it. In this video, I'm exclusively going to show a case report of my client who actually reversed hypothyroidism and who is not on any medications now, is hale, healthy, is able to feel light, energetic, and is in normal weight with full of health. So I'm going to guide you in this video, so watch till the end. So in this where I have explained about my client who lost her TSH from 20 to 2. So these are the strategies and these are the lifestyle changes which she followed. I'm going to tell you step by step. Please listen closely. So number one, which we advised, is nutrient rich diet. So conventionally, a lot of people who are basically having more weight, generally thyroid, whoever has hypothyroid are having high weight. Okay, so the metabolism is slow, so that they gain weight more. So when this happens, so my client was specifically, she was around like 72 kgs and she was able to come down to 66 kgs. Okay, in a span of 6 months of time. Okay, so this happened where when general whoever wants to lose weight, they generally cut down a lot of calories, restrict themselves of eating less food, or like cut down a lot of sugar. So that is what they focus on. But in terms of weight loss with hypothyroid, you will have to take in mind that you will have to eat more food which is needed for the body, because in thyroid condition there is a lot of deficiencies like vitamin D, selenium, iodine, zinc, so omega, this is a fatty acid, and then protein. So this is very, very important to include a lot of fruits and vegetables. Having more salads like fruit salads, vegetable salads would help you immensely. Having more kind of spinach foods and including certain supplements like vitamin D for selenium is recommended. So I would recommend to go high on quality of nuts, like taking almonds, walnuts, pistachios, seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. So everything in proper duration, like taking seeds can be taken of 1 to 2 spoons, and nuts can be taken one handful. So this was the protocol which my client has followed to reverse her TSH from 20 to 2. So where we were able to give certain food changes and she was able to reduce that. So number one is increasing the nutrient intake in every meal is very, very essential. Okay, and number two is, so she worked on her stress and emotions. Okay, so I would keep on give a lot of lecture about how to deal with emotions and stress, because that influences the hormones and that is why the thyroid gets very deficient. So a lot of fears, worries, and a lot of grief and doubts and lack of creative things in a woman body can cause thyroid deficiencies. Okay, so we are going to address those techniques through proper breathing techniques. She was able to address through journaling, address through positive affirmations, and also recommending sleep. So she was able to get her proper 8 hours sleep to regulate her hormones well. Okay, so these two are the number one and number two, and number three would be yoga. So I would recommend yoga. I will give a 10 on 10 for hypothyroidism reversal, where my client was regularly into yoga practice with us for almost like weekly, thrice, 3 to 4 times, to have stable difference in her hormonal levels. And having a physical activity actually refreshes the body, works on the muscles so that you feel more energetic, more fitter, more confident, and it instantly reduces all the stress and you have a very good feeling throughout the day. So, and a good physical activity is what our muscles, joints all needs, that that it influences the body in a different way. right? So this is the number 3 technique. So these was the number 1, number 2, number 3 was personally followed by my client for her to reverse her thyroid issues from TSH 20 to 2 in a span of 6 months of time, and she was able to lose weight from 72 kgs and she is now into 66 kgs. Her belly fat has significantly reduced, her double chin has significantly reduced, her face has become to a good shape, her body has become into a good shape, and she is able to feel more confident and energetic. So these are the top 3 lifestyle changes which I recommend to reverse hypothyroidism. So this is in general her story. So it could be a different combination of lifestyle practices for you and specifically. So drop in the comments like what is your value of TSH and how do you want to reverse it, and I'll personally send you the link to get support from me where I can help you to reverse this in a natural way.